Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Docs and learning how to add captions to your images. Whether you're creating a report, a presentation, or just jazzing up your document, captions can make your visuals more informative. Let's get started. 1. Insert your image. Click on Insert in the top menu, choose Drawing and then select New. Upload your image using the image icon. You can drag and drop or choose from your files. 2. Using a text box, click the text box icon, looks like a T inside a box with squares at the corners. Create a text box below the image by clicking and dragging, type your desired caption within the text box. 3. Align the text box. Align the text box so that it's centered below the image, adjust the size and position as needed. 4. Save and close. Click Save and Close in the drawing tool. Your image with the caption is now ready. Feel free to share this tip with your friends, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you found it helpful.